Did you know you can now create a WhatsApp username instead of sharing your phone number? Here's how. First, you need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version, and after that, open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then tap Settings, tap on Account and scroll down, you'll see Username. Tap it. Now type the username you want. Your username must be unique, so if it's already taken, WhatsApp will ask you to choose another one. Once you find an available username, tap Done or Save to confirm. Now there's one more setting you should turn on based on who can contact you is. It everyone or people who know your key, you should turn on the setting. That the people who can contact you are the people who know your key, and that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, it would help me a lot.